Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me at Lisa B Pilates. So today we have got a really effective 7-minute quick arm and shoulder workout. Grab some tins out of your cupboard, that's all you need to do this. You can do it without, so let's not waste any time. I'm going to press my timer. So 7 minutes, arms out to the side. Now pull your tummy muscles in, circles. Keep breathing, keep pulling the belly in, don't let the belly relax. So don't swing the arms around, use that mind-body connection. Keep pulling the core in. Good, keep breathing. A little bend in the arms. Good, a few more circles forward. Good, keep going and reverse it. Pull that belly in. This is really great for the core as well. So movements coming from the shoulders. Remember, at any point you can put the weights down. Keep pulling the tummy muscles in, keep breathing. So you should feel there's a little bit of heat in the shoulders, they're starting to warm up. Good, keep going, try not to let the body swing. Keep going. Take a break if you need to. Arms out, we're going to just pulse the arms back. So really squeeze those shoulder blades together. Let's go for 10, 9, 8. Pull in those tummy muscles. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Going to bring the elbows up. So bend, kiss the elbows together and open. Good. So from the side, core is in. Let's go for 10. Keep the elbows high, try not to be here, keep them high. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold them open. Now pulse back, squeeze your shoulder blades together, pulse back. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go for 10 more. 10. Oh, should be feeling the burn. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold them up, palms up towards the ceiling. Bring the hands to the shoulders. So it's just the forearms moving. Using those biceps. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Pull in the belly in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold them open. We're going to lift all the way up and down. So making a nice big circle, rotating from the shoulders. Little bit of a break because we've dropped the arms. Keep going. Really pulling those tummy muscles in. Let's go for 5 more of these. 3, 2, 1. Let's combination. So bicep curl, lift, down and undo the bicep curl. Oh, I don't know what I was saying then. Bicep curl and lift, down and down. Bicep curl, lift, down and down. Keep going. Let's go for 10 more. Keep those abs pulled in nice and strong. Should definitely be feeling heat in your tummy muscles now. Good. I've lost count, I always do. It's good. Let's go for 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold them open. We're just going to hold, hold. Good. Keep going. Keep holding. Now bring them in front of you. So we're going to do these nice raises. Great for your shoulders and the deltoids. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep pulling the belly in. Don't lift them any higher than your shoulders. Let's go for 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then out to the side, 15, 1, 2, 3, pull in that belly and keep breathing, good, let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's put them together, out in front, out to the side, good, let's go for 10 more. Try to lift the arms without hunching the shoulders. Shoulders should pretty much be on fire now, mine are on fire. Good, let's go for 5 more. 3 more. Good, last one. Hold them out in front of you, crisscross. Let's go for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring them up, elbows together. Now you're going to lift. So from the side, you're just lifting, pulling that tummy muscles in. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold them open, rotate from the shoulders. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Triceps. Pull your tummy muscles in, back is flat, pulse back for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Really squeeze those shoulder blades together. Last 10, then we are done. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are done, people. Thank you so much for joining me. That was 7 minutes. Super quick, simple, effective workout. Hit the like button, leave your comments, subscribe if you haven't already. 7 minutes to super sexy sculpted shoulders and arms. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon.